You've seen so many elections as the tallest leader of Maharashtra. So many. Is this election different from the rest?
You see, I myself contested 14 elections.
14?
And touch wood, I won all. This is the first election where I am observing little different situation. And basically, the impact of media, electronic media and print media, seems to be much more this time. And use of media is also much more this time. Of course, every election media has to play a prominent role. But this time, especially Bharatiya Janata Party and their people, they started using these media practically at least 3 to 4 weeks in advance.
Yes, yes.
And traveling plus effective use of media just to create atmosphere. This is a change which I am observing.
So Congress and NCP lagged behind on the effective use of the media, didn't do so well.
That's right. That I have to accept that. But simultaneously, I don't see what media is carrying every day, there is a way. In fact, in the last 47 years, my association in the parliamentary politics and in contesting so many elections, I have seen waved only twice. Once in 1977,
right,
when emergency, and there were strong reactions against the emergency, and the people defeated even Mrs. Gandhi also. And second time, prior to that, after Bangladesh victory, that Srimati Gandhi becomes symbol of a cause raised by poor people. And Garibi Hatao. That was also, there was a wave.
Mr. Pawan, the last 1 year, there has been a fair amount of infighting between the coalition partners in Maharashtra. Towards the couple of weeks ago, the Hina Gavit left. I'm saying, does this cause this instability among partners? Is that going to have a severe impact on your prospects here?
In fact, this time, first time, the Congress and NCP are working very...
That's not what it looks like in the field. If they read the papers, that's not what they say.
No, that is not correct. They have given some exceptional examples, like Ratnagiri.
Never believe the media.
Practically, only one constituency there is a difference. Otherwise, I have not seen the Congress workers are working so effectively and sincerely with NCP. Rani, that is and I have not, every Congress candidate, he tells me and others that they have not seen NCP workers are so effectively working for success of Congress candidates. What you say is correct. We are now together for the last 15 years here. Our efforts are to build and expand our base. Same situation with Congress. And many districts in local self-government, there is no other party. Only Congress and NCP fight against each other. In Jilla Parishad, Municipality, Corporation, Panchayat Raj. And that's why one has to accept that there are some tensions. From this election, there is tremendous unity.
Sharadji, the question about yourself. Prime Minister believes that you are his most competent cabinet colleague. There is data on agriculture which shows that your performance has actually been quite good. Do you get the sense that you've been acknowledged properly and given the right credit? Or do you think the Congress party could have treated NCP better?
That's why I said the campaign, what I am observing of Congress party and others, about achievement, they are saying same thing. But one thing has, except President for India, at least twice, publicly, he has accepted this and strongly supported me that I have to accept.
But sir, he's not the Congress party now.
No, I said from that level. The Congress party They have not said anything, they accepted that. They are trying to put these facts in every speeches, but their total approach is that this is an achievement of UPA.
But you had frustrations in the cabinet. Many of your plans for modernization, for scientific agriculture, they were thwarted or they were not supported.
No, that is not the case. In fact, I am very happy in today's cabinet, whatever the proposal was brought by me, that each and every proposal was accepted. And I think very few people understand in depth about the agriculture. That is also advantage to me.
You are being very forgiving of Jayanti Natarajan.
I'm just telling actually. And that time, yes, what you say is correct. Jayanti Natarajan has taken extreme stand, which I fought. I fought and ultimately Prime Minister accepted my view.
Do you think, many people say that there's an anti-incumbency at the centre and they should have made a change 3 years ago. If they had made you Prime Minister 3 years ago, do you think it would have been a stronger force?
You see, to be frank, if they would have taken that type of decision, it will be another Gujral or Devegowda. And I'll tell you, because there is no strength. You see, ultimately, the Prime Minister today, Manmohan Singh, anybody can say anything, but at least the Congress party is 200 and some strength. He is a Congress one, and 210, 15, 20 member of parliament is there. If suppose same responsibility is given to me, my strength is 16.
But if you had joined the Congress, merged?
No, that will not be, it will be difficult for all of us. And to be frank, my rank and file, they doesn't accept that. Basically, they want the decision-making authority should be at ground level, local level.
So will Sharad Pawar be Prime Minister one day still?
No. Two things. Firstly, I am not contesting Lok Sabha. And secondly, my party is contesting total 31 seats in India. The person or political party who is contesting 31 seats, they should not expect also. Nobody will take seriously.
Sir, when did you come closest to becoming Prime Minister and lost your time?
No, only thing that myself and Narsingh Rao,
Then you contested against
we contested against it, and our contest was quite crucial contest.
Yes.
Mr. Pawar, what about succession within your own party? Now that you have moved up, what happens to the party? Who's now the next leader?
Fortunately, no, I cannot say A or B person, but fortunately we got excellent team of capable youngsters. And at least I can tell about 9 to 10 people, anybody ultimately party can support.
So it doesn't have to be Supriya.
Basically, you see, one thing we have to accept, NCP as on today might be national party because the Elections Commission's guidelines, we fulfill these guidelines. We have one seat in Lakshadweep, we have one seat in Manipur, we have one seat in Meghalaya. So there should be 4 states, 5 states and 60% voting that was there. But our real base is Maharashtra. When question comes of Supriya, Supriya has no interest in state. Her total interest is national or international policy. She is comfortable in Delhi. She is not comfortable in local politics. That's why she has no interest there.
So you don't see her as your natural successor?
In Parliament, I don't know. She is performing well, and she's shaping well for that type of politics.
You know, globally, if you study elections, any government has been, once they're in power for 10 years, they lose the next election, anywhere around the world. Now, this election, you've got 15 years of local and 10 years of central government. The anti-incumbency, all the odds are against you. It's a very tough election, isn't it, anti-incumbency? How do you fight it?
You see, I am finding, or my observation about the parliament election is that tough. I don't see that will be the same situation in assembly elections, and one of the reasons is, I don't see, you see, ultimately people expect there has to be some capable person who will perform and lead at the state level. They don't think so seriously about national level, but in state level, in panchayat level, in municipal level, they want somebody who can perform, who can deliver the goods. And today, NCP and Congress in Maharashtra got a better leadership vis-a-vis BJP and Shiv Sena. They have no such a mass-based leader who can, who will be accepted as the state leader.
Sir, is Prithviraj Chavan, your chief minister, a mass-based leader?
It's a combination. You see, myself and Prithviraj, Ajit Pawar and Prithviraj, Mr. Bhujbal and Prithviraj.
Ajit Pawar and Prithviraj is a tough combination.
But you see, but Ajit Pawar and Bhujbal, they are the mass-based leaders. They are following.
What about taking back Ashok Chavan, and is that the perception of it hurt?
Yeah, basically, Ashok Chavan, I think taking back Ashok Chavan, forwarding seat to him, is it's a clear-cut indication that he is going to win. He is a winnable candidate.
But the impact that he has on the perception till he's cleared, it's like Yediyurappa in Karnataka. Was it a mistake, you think?
No, but tell me, what exactly allegations against him? His allegation against him, in one particular cooperative housing society, he has requested the office bearers that 1 or 2 flats should be provided to some of his close men, maybe relatives or the others. You see, there are thousands of societies in the city of Bombay or Pune or others, where the government has given land, and the person who is the main person behind this society, he selects the list. He can give to anybody. Only there is a government guideline that income is this, 1, 2, 3, these are the criteria, conditions you have to fulfill. So here, providing membership in the housing society, I think disproportionate publicity was given to all these things.
Disproportionate.
And Congress also reacted for no reason.
They reacted
For no reason.
overreacted.
Overreacted.
So it's not a mistake. Perception-wise, reality and perception in life.
Perception-wise, general impression that he has done something wrong. In fact, he was nobody when he was not chief minister when land was allocated.
The Congress party doesn't have your thick skin.
Tell us, what do you think if Modi becomes Prime Minister? What kind of Prime Minister will he be, in your opinion?
Can't say that, I don't know, because what I am observing from distance, in fact, being a Minister of Agriculture, I had to deal with every Chief Minister.
Yes.
And every Chief Minister has an interest in agriculture. And fortunately, my equation with all the Chief Ministers are extremely good. And secondly, whether he belongs to A party or B party, my interest is in farming farmers. So I have to.
So your relationship with Modi is good.
So I kept excellent relations with all the Chief Ministers. Whatever they are bringing for the development of agriculture, I always supported. Right. And Gujarat is also similar treatment was given to Gujarat. Only one thing I am observing, I don't see that he is a team man. He is working hard, that is shows that, but he is alone. I don't see his second colleague, except we read one of his MOS, Amit Shah's name here and there, but he is MOS. I don't see any cabinet ministers. Now here, for instance, Prithviraj's cabinet, at least 8-10 people, one can tell every day, Chhagan Bhujbal is, Ajit Pawar is there, from Congress side, Mr. Rane is there, and some other people. So it's ultimately team. So it is comparatively easy to run the administration at the state level with a 1,000 personality. I don't think similar situation will be at national level.
So if in these elections, let's say you're fighting, you're saying 30 odd seats, and you win half, let's say 15, 16 seats you win. You can't, you don't want to be a Devagowda. So is there a possibility that you will go with whoever the winning side is, that you may join Modi?
No, we will continue with Congress. We will continue same alliance. And our efforts will be to strengthen that alliance.
You have a longer term view. No chance of joining Modi's government.
No.
Why?
No, basically, it doesn't suit us ideologically also. Doesn't suit us. And secondly, you see, we have taken some definite position, not only today. Which last 10 years we are in the same government. Last 15 years we are working together. People know that our identity is with congressmen. I myself is a product of Congress. I contested first election in my life as a congressman. I was a Congress office bearer for many years. I spent many days and months in the Congress office when there was no house for accommodation for me in the Mumbai. And that's why people know me as a congressman.
So
whatever our achievement also, definitely there is certain percentage of the Congress thinking.
What about money in this election? Has Congress got enough money in this to fight this election?
I don't see that. This time, first time the Congress or other than BJP parties are facing problem.
First time?
At least.
For the Congress? First time you've seen them facing a money problem. Is that because they're not spending it or they don't have it?
I think we could not collect that type of money this time.
So could not collect that sort of money. But BJP has collected.
Must be, where they are spending, must be. And secondly, I think they have planned in much advance. Today's, just now, I was just landing here in Mahalakshmi helicopter. So there was income tax man was sitting just to check my bags. So about 10 days back, 8 days back, I was landed at one particular place, and in my helicopter there was a ice box for water and others. So they brought the camera, we opened, I just saw whether is there anything. So that type of precaution this time election commission is taking. In fact, I am getting so many complaints from trading community. There's normal trade. Whatever the transportation, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh.
That is
you see, they ultimately accept. They go in depth when they realize this is a genuine money, they release. But it takes 10, 15 days. 15 days, money has been brought in police station.
And the MNS here?
MNS is getting good response among the younger generation.
They are getting good.
They are getting good.
So they'll cut into the Shiv Sena BJP?
They will cut Shiv Sena BJP and they will cut ours also.
Both?
Both. They might cut 70% theirs and 30% ours.
And Aam Aadmi Party?
I don't see at all any serious.
Finally, which is tougher politics? Politics of cricket or real politics?
Real politics.
Cricket is easy. I thought that was tougher.
One can enjoy that. You see.
Any chance of getting back into cricket?
No, I am already president of Mumbai Cricket Association, but I will not go to BCCI or International Cricket Council because I was enjoying or heading both the organizations.
शरद जी, वो आपने एक एडवाइस दिया था, वो समझ लिया हमें कैसे करें कि 2 बार वोट कैसे देना है।
हमने मजाक की थी कि भाई वहाँ भी देखे देखिए यहाँ स्याही होती है। And when I saw within 2 hours the media started, immediately I addressed a press conference. I made the position clear. I dictated a letter to Election Commission, State Election Commission, same day within 4 hours.
What is your final estimate for the breakup in Maharashtra?
You see, we will improve our tally. Last time we got 9 seats. We will improve our position.
And what about the Congress, you think?
I have not gone in depth about the Congress each and every.
But as a coalition, will you keep the 25, 26 you had last time, you think?
Definitely will keep that.
Or will you go up and Congress go down?
The Congress is contesting more seats than us, and there are many
compared to last time. I mean.
there are good seats which Congress has contested. Only Congress candidates are facing a lot of problem of support of vehicles, monetary support and others.
Monetary support.